How to allow or deny the appear on top permission for apps on Android. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can allow or deny the appear on top permission for apps on Android. For that, on your Android device, you need to open the Settings application first. Once you open your Settings application, scroll down and find App option. Once you find the apps, tap on it to open it. And once you reach to this page, here at the top, you will find 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots and from this menu, you will find Special Access. Tap on this option and you will reach to this page. Here you will find Appear on Top option depending on your device model. Once you find this option, tap on it to open it. And here you will find all the application that has requested this permission. At the right side of these applications, you will find toggle buttons. If the button is turned on to the right side, that means the application has permission to appear on top. And if you see the toggle button switched off facing left side, that means the permission appear on top is denied. Now from here you can scroll down and find the application for which you would like to allow or deny the appear on top permission. You can use the toggle button at the right side to enable or disable the permission. These exact steps and wording might vary slightly depending on your Android version and the device. If in case you are facing a trouble to find this feature or the option on your Settings application, then you can come back to the home page of the Settings application and here tap on the search icon at the top. Once you tap on search icon, in the search bar you can type appear on top and then search for it. Once you find this option, you need to tap on the appear on top option here and you will reach to this page. From where you can find this appear on top option. When you tap on it, you will reach to the same page that you have accessed before. So by following these steps, you should be able to allow or deny appear on top permission to apps on your Android. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.